Welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In today's video, we'll work through Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate, CSWA, Practice Problem 1.4 step by step. As usual, we'll begin by reviewing the drawing and identifying the key details. We'll be working in the inch unit system. The primary feature used in this model will be extruded boss. One important detail to pay close attention to is the origin location. According to the drawing, the origin is positioned at the bottom in section AA. This is often overlooked, and many users mistakenly start with an ellipse at the origin. While the final shape may look correct, it won't match the drawing requirements. There are several ways to approach this model, but I'll demonstrate the simplest and most reliable method. The final part volume should be 0.146 cubic inches, so we'll use that as a reference to verify our model. I'll also include an additional dimension to clearly explain why we create a reference plane at a specific distance. Let's open SOLIDWORKS and get started. Open a new part and let's start by checking the units. Set the system to IPS, inch, pound, second. Next, select the front plane. And create a new reference plane at a distance of 0.6 inches. Select this new plane and begin your sketch. Start by drawing a horizontal centerline with a length of 1.6 inches. Apply a midpoint relation between the line and the origin. Then draw a vertical line, 0.5 inches long. And again set its midpoint coincident with the origin. Now create an ellipse using the center at the origin and the endpoints of these lines. Add a circle on the left side with a diameter of 0.125 inches. Set the distance from the leftmost edge to 0.175 inches. Use the mirror tool to create the same circle on the right side. Next, sketch a central circle with a diameter of 0.45 inches. Then add a hexagon in the center, making sure the top side is horizontal. and set the distance across flats to 0.25 inches. At this point, the sketch should be fully defined. Turn on the origin display for better reference. Now move on to features. Start with Extruded Boss. Use selected contours and choose the outer profile. Set the depth to 0.15 inches. Run Extruded Boss again. This time, reuse Sketch 1. Apply selected contours. Enable Merge Result. And set the total depth to 0.3 inches. Select the central circle and the hexagon for this feature. For the final extrusion, again use Extruded Boss with Sketch 1. Select only the 0.45-inch circle and set the depth to 0.6 inches. Take a moment to verify the origin location. It should match the drawing exactly. Yes, you see it matches the drawing. Finally, check the mass properties. The volume should be 0.146 cubic inches. Confirming the model is correct. Okay, the part is done correctly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next one.